I took the pan down. The filter wasn't even attached to the valve body, so that's kind of discerning. 2011 P7B. You can see it's got the, I guess, the wires instead of the rigid harness. That's what it looks like for those that are wondering what the newer models look like. I'm not sure what that is. Whether that's some type of a sensor. Shift solenoids and then clutch. Your torque converter lockouts on the other side. The transmission fluid looked healthy. Hardly any heavy metal on the magnet. I mean, just your normal wear and tear on the magnet. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Jmod on it. See how it goes. See this side a little better. Here's your comb. 1 to 2. Torque converter lockout and shift solenoids on the wiring. Show you a cool thing I did. Well, if I ever have to change my transmission fluid again, it stuck me a 1/2 by 20 castle nut on there. Shit. I don't know if you can see it. Tag welded it, and then put a 1/2 by 20 bolt with a rubberized washer around the end of it. They come like that. I think it's kind of heavy. I don't know if you can see it, but see the fluid in there? That's diesel. I am throwing diesel on it because diesel penetrates just about anything. If there's a gap or hole or anything, it will find it. So I'm going to put a little diesel on around that nut, around the bolt, see if she'll leak before I put it on there, because I'd rather know now so I can fix it before I put it up there and fill it full of fluid. But if diesel test looks alright, then I know she'll be good. Just a little FYI for you guys. That panel wasn't dirty hardly at all. It's actually pretty nice. And don't forget to put your magnet in when you're done.